Hello, my name is Bob. May I see your papers, please? Now! Schnell! If you do not care to give me your papers, there are ways of making you talk. I can put you in a chair, tie you up, and make you very, very, very dizzy. Right now, I am crabby because there are things on my pants, and I do not like these things. They are like fluffy things and hair, and it makes my pants look very unruly. Here comes a car. They have the right pass. I just wave at them and they wave back. Hello, car. Goodbye, car. Is that Boeing or what? This is my job. People say you must be very bored or something to make stupid things like this. Well, yes, I am. I am at the Cherry Creek State Park, part of the Colorado State Parks, 3D, ooh-ah. But I get bored some days and I make stupid videos like this. But we'll have fun regardless. You need to go out and hike or something healthy and do it now.